What we found in this garage wall on the side of a garage door is the block was solid here and hollow here, solid here, hollow here. And so what we wanted to do with this is make sure that when we set our anchors for the barriers, it was all set in solid concrete. So we had this cut out, and this afternoon this will be filled with concrete and poured solid so that we drill and put our new anchors in with our new support brackets, that everything will be anchored properly and we won't have a problem. I showed you previously in this video that we had cut the channels. You can see it up on the very top of the outside columns. We left a little area open and we poured it full of concrete, and all of these braces are in to hold the concrete in. Later today these braces will come out and then we'll stucco over it, and you'll never know that these columns, which right now they were hollow, now it'll be solid. And so when I put my new anchors in, the new anchors will go all the way in and they'll be permanently attached. Okay, we took the forms off this morning. You can see that this wall is now solid. So I'm going to be able to set better 1/2-inch anchors into here that go through my support columns. The next thing you'll see is a channel like this going up and in. And now we can drill our holes and put solid anchors into the concrete.
For more tips on preparing for a flood, like and subscribe to the Flood Prepper channel. You'll be glad you did.